Hey everyone, here I am with another shot, and today we'll be discussing something very different, and it is how to make friends very easily. And the one very simple hack is to get genuinely interested in the other person. We all know that every tongue loves to wag, right? So why not for a change we become a good listener rather than a good speaker? Let the other person flaunt himself or herself. And the more you let himself or herself flaunt, the more he gets interested in you. Also, do not try to give false appreciations, cheap appreciations, or flatter the other person. Let the other person think that yes, you are right, and giving right approaches and advices as well, and give an honest and sincere appreciation. And my dear friends, you will definitely receive an outcome for the input which you have provided. So make sure next time you try this. Thank you. Consider subscribing the channel too.